Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best backdrop stand is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any photographer or videographer looking to create a professional and polished final product, whether you're setting up a home studio, a commercial shoot, or even a simple event backdrop. Having a reliable and versatile stand can make all the difference in achieving seamless backgrounds and a clutter-free shooting environment, ensuring your subject remains the focal point without distracting elements. Number 5. EMART 10 by 7 feet Adjustable Photo Studio Backdrop Stand. The crossbar features a retractable design, allowing you to easily adjust its width from 5.3 to 10 feet. This flexibility ensures it can accommodate various backdrop sizes for your creative needs. This stand is built with a sturdy tripod base and adjustable height from 2.6 to 7 feet. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it remains stable even when fully extended, providing a reliable support. Included clamps and sandbags help secure your backdrop and add stability. Fill the sandbags with sand or other weights to ensure it remains steady, especially when hanging heavier items. When not in use, this kit is lightweight and compact, easily fitting into the included carry bag. It can be conveniently stored away, saving you space. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including studio photography, parties, weddings, and DIY photo booths. Use it for portraits, product shots, or even video recording. Please note that the crossbar may bend slightly under heavy weight due to gravity. Avoid hanging objects exceeding 10 pounds and use the sandbags for added stability, especially in windy conditions. What we like. This stand features a retractable crossbar, allowing you to adjust the width precisely for different backdrops. Its sturdy tripod base ensures stability even at maximum extension. If you need a versatile stand that can adapt to various backdrop sizes and appreciate the convenience of included clamps and sandbags for a secure setup, this is a great choice for events and general photography. What people say. The stand is sturdy and easy to set up, making it great for quick photo sessions. It holds backdrops securely without slipping, which is essential for professional-looking photos. The adjustable height and width allow for versatility with different backdrop sizes and shooting needs. Number 4. Neewer Photo Studio Backdrop Support System. This is a complete backdrop support system designed for your photography needs. It provides a stable foundation for backdrops, perfect for studios and events. Easily adjust the height and width to fit any backdrop and create the perfect background. It's designed to hold your fabric securely in place for various photography projects. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this stand offers exceptional stability for your setup. It can support up to 4 kilograms, and included sandbags add extra security. Keep your backdrop perfectly in place with the included strong spring clamps. They ensure your fabric is mounted securely to the support system. This package includes everything you need: the backdrop stands, crossbars, clamps, sandbags, and a convenient carrying bag. Set up and pack down with ease. What we like. This kit comes with 2 separate stands and 4 crossbars, offering more flexibility in how you configure your backdrop support. It provides a generous width for larger setups. If you're looking for a system that can handle wider backdrops, or if you need the option of using 2 separate supports for more complex setups, this option is ideal for portrait and studio work. What people say. The stand is sturdy and easy to assemble. It holds backdrops securely without slipping. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different photo setups. Number 3. FUDESY 10 by 10 foot Heavy-Duty Backdrop Stand. Introducing the FUDESY 10 by 10 foot Heavy-Duty Backdrop Stand, your ultimate solution for professional photography. This versatile system is designed for ease of use and stability. Setting up your studio has never been easier. This backdrop support system requires no tools for assembly or disassembly, saving you valuable time. Crafted from durable aluminum, it offers exceptional stability for any backdrop. Its robust design makes it perfect for home studios, professional settings, or even outdoor shoots. With a height that adjusts from 3.4 feet to 10 feet and crossbars that extend up to 10 feet, you can customize the setup to fit any project. The 1.4-inch diameter tubes ensure it remains sturdy. It comes equipped with heavy-duty spring clamps and background clips to securely hold your muslin, canvas, or paper backdrops in place. Transport and storage are a breeze with the included nylon carry bag. It's designed for easy portability, so you can take your studio anywhere. We are committed to providing you with excellent customer support. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we'll ensure you receive a satisfactory solution. What we like. Built with a robust 1.4-inch diameter tube, this stand offers superior sturdiness for heavy-duty use. The tool-free setup makes it incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble. If you prioritize durability and a quick, hassle-free setup for frequent use in a studio or for outdoor events, its heavy-duty construction ensures reliable performance. What people say. The stand is sturdy and holds up well. Easy to set up and take down. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different backdrops. Number 2. Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Set. Introducing the Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Set, designed to make your small product and food photography stand out. Achieve professional-looking shots with ease. These generously sized backdrops provide ample space for showcasing your products. They are perfect for tabletop photography, flat lays, and front-view shots of items like jewelry, cosmetics, and collectibles. Go beyond basic black and white with 12 versatile colors. These textured backgrounds empower online sellers, creators, and bloggers to produce stunning e-commerce photos, engaging social media content, and captivating product videos. Get started in minutes with the included tabletop T-shaped stand. Easily position the backdrop upright for front-view shots or lay it flat for overhead flat lay compositions. Crafted from laminated paper, these backdrops are simple to wipe clean after use. They are a practical choice for product listings, catalogs, and creating content for social media and your home photo studio. Whether you're a small business owner, a Yoocheese creator, or a food blogger, these backdrops offer the flexibility you need. Enhance your product listings, social media feeds, and visual storytelling. What we like. This is a compact solution specifically designed for small product photography, featuring a tabletop T-shaped stand in 12 vibrant colors. It's perfect for flat lays and close-up shots. If you're an online seller, Yoocheese creator, or food blogger focusing on small items like jewelry, cosmetics, or food, and you need a quick and easy way to create clean, attractive product photos, this set is tailor-made for you. What people say. It is very sturdy and stable, even with heavy backdrops. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different shooting needs. Easy to set up and take down, which is great for on-the-go photographers. Number 1. EMART 10 by 8.5 foot Photo Backdrop Stand Kit. Setting up your photo backdrop has never been easier. This stand is designed for quick and simple installation, making it perfect for any event, whether you're inside or outside. Achieve the perfect dimensions for your needs. The height and width are fully adjustable, allowing you to customize it freely up to 10 by 8.5 feet. Locking it in place is a breeze with the easy-to-use knobs. Keep your backgrounds and decorations firmly in place. The included spring clamps and clips are designed to securely attach fabric, balloons, paper, and more to the crossbar, preventing any unwanted movement. Enjoy enhanced stability with its robust base and included sandbags. This design provides double the support, ensuring it remains steady and won't easily tip over, even in various indoor and outdoor settings. Transporting your setup is simple. Crafted from premium metal, it's surprisingly lightweight and comes with a dedicated portable bag. Store it away easily or take it on the go. This kit comes complete with everything you need to get started: 6 clamps, for clips, 2 sandbags, 2 light stands, for crossbars, and a convenient portable bag. What we like. This backdrop stand kit includes 2 light stands for added versatility and features a stronger base for enhanced stability, especially when combined with the included sandbags. Its adjustable frame allows for flexible height and width configurations. If you need a robust and stable setup for events or photography that might involve lighting equipment, or if you appreciate the dual support system for extra security, this option provides excellent reliability. What people say. The stand is sturdy and holds backdrops securely. Easy to set up and adjust height and width. Comes with a carrying bag for portability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.